My hubby always calls himself chef. So let me let you guys know that your home cooked chef is back in the kitchen. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. To my returning subscribers, you are the real MVPs. You guys are highly welcome. Grab your Coke, grab your Fanta, any drink that you want to grab, popcorn as well. Sit down and you are about to enjoy a very nice procedure of and preparation and process of elevated the grammar is much already now, party jollof rice prepared by your able online chef, couple chef, because it's I and Oga that is going to do it. And to my people that just flash in and don't flash in, subscribe to my channel, put on your notification bell, like the video, share. Okay guys, let's dive in because Oga have started cooking already. Yeah. Is seasoning the meat. So let me take you guys through the procedure of our party jollof rice.
Been trying to find the words, been through all the nouns and verbs. I just wanna say how much you mean to me. But as smart as I wanna sound, it's best said simply that you bring me joy. You bring me joy. Joy, joy, oh, you bring me joy, 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 oh.
And this is me trying to get the pepper mix ready. That's blending my tomatoes, my pepper, my tatache. Because what is party jollof rice without going in with tatache? I even tried to go in more with tatache because of the color it gives to jollof rice. Guys, in the comment section, I will want to know, what is that your special one of your special something that you love putting in your jollof rice? Because as for me now, why am I laughing here? Because I did not know that we have this much pepper. Hey, I said I beg because of my kids. No, so I'm looking at like, let me just take only small. He wanted me to add more. I said, no. I have to add a little. I beg. At least like it's not only both of us that is going to eat it, because I do more of bulk cooking. You get, so the kids are involved as well.
Bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy.
You see, do it.
Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. You bring me joy. I've been trying to find the words, been through all the nouns and verbs. I just wanna say how much you mean to me. But as smart as I wanna sound, it's best said simply that you bring me joy. You bring me me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy.
I know you guys will be wondering, I always in the kitchen cooking. Guys, I just love one of the things I love doing is just cooking. Mind you, I'm just a home cook, I'm not a chef. So it's what I learned from my yeah, from home, from my mom. Yes. So I just one of the things I love doing is cooking. So my normal food, the normal food I eat, that is what I just love doing. So guys, now I have gone in with everything because I tried to dry the tomato. It's wasting my time. I have to start frying it. There's no time to check time. Oh.
Bring me joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. You bring me joy.
I hope your plate is ready by now because I had to beg Oga to come and finish what we started because I had to beg him. Look at the pot of jollof rice now. I seasoned. I'm not seasoned. When it was done, I just added a little bit of butter and the bell peppers. I had to slice green, yellow, and red. And guys, our food is ready. It is ready to be shop plated. Thanks for watching and don't forget to put your notification bell.